8th grade year, when my woodshop teacher got a new welding machine, and he asked me if I wanted to try it out for the first time ever. And whenever I struck my first arc and I saw how the metal flowed out, and it made like a spark or a click in my heart that said, you know, this is probably the career path I want to choose for how fun and possibly all the opportunities that I'm able to experience now. I've placed multiple times first place in the underwater welding competition and able to get scholarship money to proceed that career in my life. Competing against 500 kids in total, but each level has maybe 100 to 200 more. And whenever we hear our name get called up for first, second, and third, we feel relieved and we feel excitement and joy for any one of us that wins.
He displays exactly what it takes to be a successful student, and it's just the grit, the attitude, the drive, the commitment.
At first, I wanted to become a structural welder, maybe work in like manufacturing or making buildings, infrastructure. But being able to be exposed to underwater welding made me change my entire decision. One of the best things and coolest things I've ever experienced in my life.
They can become a certified welder, and they do that every year, that they can earn not only one, but they can earn multiple, and they are reimbursed for that certification. And if they want to earn more, they can do it at a fraction of the cost of getting that certification in industry. They compete using a test plate for a welding qualification.
Whenever we graduate and we have all these certifications under our names, jobs and companies are able to look at us and know that what we're capable of, what we have already experienced, and it gives us a better chance to get hired. If the door is open for you and you're able to reach out and try to grab it, I say it is the best decision you're ever to make.